Alright, so I bought my first Air Jordans ever, and these are the Air Jordan 1s. And I've had a couple of Air Forces, but I never had the Air Jordan ever in my life. And I bought these from Super Kicks, as you can see from the box. And if you guys don't know what Super Kicks is an Indian online retailer, and these are also authorized retailer for Nike. So they sell genuine shoes directly from Nike, and they're also on the Nike website as well, so that's kind of a good thing. So the ones I bought are actually called Cacao Wow, and this is the first time I'm unboxing them, and I pre-recorded the video and I'm doing the voiceover. You guys can already tell, and I was kind of excited, and you can see my cat was also really excited about my shoes. And as I've opened the half side of the box, I could see the box is all black with a golden Jumpman on it, and that is the Michael Jordan, or I would say Sir Michael Jordan. So the box looked pretty good, and I went to click some pictures. So the light is kind of dim now, and again my cat was still there. Pretty excited though, because whenever there's a box, my cat is always there. And by the way, I've got a lot of cats. So as you can see, there's the invoice, and talking of the price, I'll tell you guys later, but for now, look at the shoes. These are the Cacao Wow Nike Air Jordan 1. These are not the retros, these are not the 2, 3, 4. These are Air Jordan 1 and called Cacao Wow, and the build is so freaking good. And by the way, these are the grade school ones. These are not the men one, but they still fit because the size is actually same. We'll talk about that later. For now, let's look at the shoes. So as I can see, I could see when I was unboxing it, the shoes are made of leather, and there's also suede in front and on the side, and the logo is kind of shiny. I don't know if you guys can see it, but when there's a light on the logo, it reflects something. So here are the shoes, and I totally loved it. Like, this is the first time I have touched Nike Air Jordan 1s, and with all due respect, I love my Adidas better than this, but this is Air Jordans. These are better ones, I would say. But the comfort is not that good because I've already tested these shoes. So you can see there's suede on the side, and logo is also leather. And I like the lace as well because these are blue and white, and they added a little white on the tongue of the shoe. I would have preferred brown in that, because brown shoes with something white on it doesn't look that good. And let's check this other one, because there's sticker as well. So let's get into the things that I got with the shoes. So in this one, there was this small pouch. I'm not quite sure what this pouch is for. Let me know in the comment down below what you guys think about this pouch, because I don't think so the lace will fit in this pouch. It's really small, like a tiny pouch, maybe for a coin. I would not prefer to put a coin in that pouch, but it was good. It was exactly the same color as my shoes, and there was this Jumpman logo on it as well. And again, really small pouch. I don't know the use of this. And of course the kids are crying. My sister is at my home, so just ignore that sound. And there's also a Jumpman sticker that I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna stick it. Like, literally, I don't know. I'm confused with this sticker. I don't know where to put it. So yeah, and like I said, these shoes are the I was clicking picture there, by the way, of the sticker, because why not? So let's talk about the size of the shoes. So these are the grade school size 6. So grade school size 6 is exactly similar as my Air Force ones. The length is exactly the same, but the fitting is kind of on the tight side. I don't know if I should use the word tight, but you guys will know what I'm talking about. So this is my Nike Air Force 1s. So these are size 6.5, and the Air Jordan 1s are the grade school ones, but they still fit, and these are like cheaper than the Air Jordan 1s. So let's say in my country where I live in India, Air Jordan 1 cost about like from 11,000, that is like about $120, to 20,000 or something like that. But these one I got for 9,000 rupees. That's like about $110, so like $20-30 cheaper, and the size is exactly the same as my men's size. You can see I put it side by side, and you can clearly see the size is literally the same. And like I said, these Air Jordan 1s grade schools are a little bit on the tighter side. I'll make another video about these. Grade school size was it's the original men's size, but you guys can see they are the exact same size. So I kind of made a guess that if the centimeter is exactly the same, so they'll fit, and they do fit, but they're a little tighter, I'll just say that. But overall, the shoes are phenomenal. I totally love these shoes. They're made of suede and leather, and the logo shines. That's what I'm all about, by the way. And yeah, this is basically my review of the Nike Air Jordan 1's Cacao Wow grade school. And if you're looking to buy these, if you are a man or woman or anything what's out there, you guys can buy the grade school size shoes, because the size is exactly similar as the men's size and the women's size. And with all, like, you know, by all means, check out the centimeters of the shoes. So if your shoe size is 24 centimeter, grade school 24 centimeter will fit perfectly for you. And yeah, that's all it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed this Nike Air Jordan 1 Cacao Wow review. And if I get another shoe, I'll make a video of that as well. And let me know in the comment down below what you guys think about these, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.